Yo, what's going on, drone fam? And today we're going to get into these two accessories that could seriously level up your DJI Avata 2 game. We're talking about the STARTRC Tail Wing and Landing Gear Extensions. But firstly, I'd just like to say thank you for watching. And if you get any type of value from this video whatsoever, can you please hit that like button and smash subscribe, as it really helps my channel grow. Now let's get into it. So first up, the STARTRC Tail Wing does look slick, but does it actually do anything? Well, the answer is yes. Surprisingly enough, this is designed to reduce turbulence and increase flight stability, and I actually felt it when pulling sharp bends or pulling out of long dives. Now, with this easy snap-on design, I was really surprised too. No screws, no nothing involved, just clip on, clip off. So it really lowers the risk of your battery falling out also. It weighs next to nothing. The DJI Avata 2 now looks more like a fighter jet, and it is kind of badass. You know, style points already. So if you're chasing cinematic shots and want a more stable feel while you're flying, this tiny upgrade might surprise you. I actually didn't expect to feel the difference, but I really did, especially when I'm pulling out of dives or sharp turns, or just that nice cinematic flow when I'm dipping or I'm looping. It really helped. Now, next up is the STARTRC's Landing Gear Extension. Now, this one is a must-have if you ever launch your Avata 2 on rough terrain, long grass. Maybe it's been a wet day and there's a few little puddles around on the floor and you need to get up, or you're just landing down. These things come in extremely handy. Now, I didn't actually think I'd use them as much as I do, but I mean, we've all been there, having to whip out a toothbrush to clean in between all your props because you've used your Avata 2 as a lawnmower. These babies help reduce that by 100%, and they're also foldable. One of the major selling points for me was that this landing gear elevates your drone off the ground by 3.5 centimeters. That's easy enough to clear any grass, gravel, dirt or sand. It keeps your gimbal protected and your bottom sensors also off the dirty ground, keeping them clean, which is always a bonus. Now, they're super lightweight and they're easy to snap on. No tools, screws required. Clip on, clip off, and they do not interfere with your flying or your video quality while recording. When you're flying in the woods, on gravel or loose dirt, even the grass, this has saved my gimbal, my props, and also the sensors on the bottom of the Avata 2 more than once. Now, you're asking yourself, are these worth it? Well, here's the breakdown. The pair of them are ultra lightweight. No screws, no nothing involved. Clip on, clip off, job done. And they genuinely add protection and a little bit of performance to your drone. So it's a win-win on both sides. And they're both great value for money. Getting the pair for under 30 bucks, you can't complain. Now, the tail wing effects are subtle. It won't take your Avata 2 into a racing quad. And the landing gear is bulkier only for when you're wanting to pack light, but that's about it. These two STARTRC accessories take your Avata 2 from cool to actually practical. So try them out, hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about them. Thank you so much for watching my quick review. If you got any type of value whatsoever from watching this video, then please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. I'm Adam from Zone and Lens. You guys have been colourful, and I'll catch you in the next one.